Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to connect good notes with Notion, then this video is for you. First, you have to do is follow these simple steps. So first you have to log into Notion, then after logging to your Notion account, give access to the page you want to embed your notebook's info. Then get a good notes notebook link. Get a shareable link for your good notes notebook, or you can find the share button. You can simply click on share and you can find a button that's saying that copy link. So you have to copy the link, and then you can link your notebook URL with Notion page. So select which Notion page you want to embed your notebook into and easily send with a single click. So that's how you can simply do it. Our GoodNotes Notion.com also showing you a demo how you can simply do it. You can check it out from this GoodNotes to Notion.com URL, and you can find it easily just like this. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.